Hello, Webster City Middle School. It's the end of February and the end of negative-degree weather. I'm Annabelle, and here with me is...
Hank. Annabelle, have you ever dropped an egg off the top of the staircase before?
Actually, Hank, I have.
Well, I hear that's what the 5th graders are doing in science, so let's head on over to Lucian.
Hi WCMS, I'm Lucian. Have you ever wondered how a parachute works? Well, in science, 5th graders are making parachutes to see if they can make an egg land safely from the balconies of Jeff Gym. We did this project while we were learning about gravity. If we did it successfully, we would redirect the gravity flow so the egg survives the drop. First, we would drop the parachute from the first balcony. Then if it survived, you would go onto the second balcony. Students had to make their parachute and basket out of materials to hopefully land the egg safely. Now here are some clips from the event. Well, I think that this project really did keep things afloat. Well, I'm done with my work here. Now let's drift on over to Ava.
Hello, WCMS. My name is Ava. Do you like guitars and colors? Well, if you do, this is the right project for you. The guitars the 5th graders are making are very interesting, with all sorts of designs, like twists and turns. The point of the 5th graders doing this is to learn about design skills and patterns. First off, you get a piece of paper and fold it in half like a hot dog. Next, you draw the shape of a guitar and cut it out. Then you draw the designs with pencil and do Sharpie after you use the pencil. Finally, you can take the guitars home, and if you want, you can color it with a bunch of bright colors. These guitars were super fun to make. That's all from me. Let's design it on over to the anchors.
Those look amazing. Hank, if you're anything like me, you know your ABCs.
I know half of them.
Well, I can't really help you with that, but I bet Ian can help you with your history ABCs.
Hi WCMS, it's Ian, and in history we wrote ABC Greek history books. We were assigned to write a Greek word for each letter. We had to write a brief description of each word and draw a decent picture. We then had to color them in and make a cover and back page. I thought there were many great books. It's all from me. Let's send it on over to Delaney.
What's up, WCMS? I'm Delaney. Have you ever thought about creating a menu for your own restaurant? In 6th grade computer class, that's exactly what we're doing. The menus are made on Publisher. The menus are required to have 6 categories: appetizers, salads and soups, 2 house specialties, and pizza and desserts. The house specialties could be anything from meat to drinks. There had to be 1 picture per category and 3 on the front. Restaurants could be named anything as long as it was school appropriate. I really enjoyed making my menu, and I hope everyone else did too. Now let's send it on over to the anchors.
Just seeing all that food on those menus makes me hungry. Annabelle, what's your favorite geographic region?
Does Sesame Street count?
No, it doesn't. But maybe Aiden can make Scandinavia your favorite.
There's Aiden, and in Saturday Geography, we are making slideshows about Scandinavia. The slides tell about historical capitals in the countries of Scandinavia. There are also slides about the cities in other countries. In Scandinavia, there is Norway, Sweden, Denmark, and Iceland. There are also slides about other cities in the country. You have to have a royal guide on each page if you would like to read on every slide. You have to write about the blade and why you want to visit the blade. Oofta! Now to Lily.
Hey WCMS, Lily here, and I'm here to talk about the American Gothic parody we're making in 7th grade art. So, for this project, we're talking about the American Gothic by Grant Wood, who was born in Iowa, and remaking it to be a cooler version of the piece. First off, we had to think of 1 to 4 ideas and pick one to sketch it out. Next, we would either draw or print out any pictures we needed for it. Then voila, you'd put it all together and you'd have the American Gothic reimagined. Personally, I made a Paper Mario one with Princess Peach and Mario. Now let's redesign it on over to the anchors.
Wow, I like some of those more than the original. Hank, do you watch the news?
No, why?
Well, maybe Caroline can tell you more about the books that we are reading about social issues in our reading classes.
Hey WCMS, it's Caroline here, and today I'm going to report about what the 8th graders are doing in our Reading and Language Arts class. We are currently reading books that deal with big social issues, such as racial discrimination, sexual assault, prejudice against disabled people, and more. These books have been very interesting and eye-opening. That's all WCMS, so let's send it back to the anchors.
Now, for some upcoming events.
Kona Ice will be coming to WCMS on Friday, February 26th. Remember your money.
The end of the trimester is on Tuesday, March 2nd, so be sure to get those missing assignments in.
Parent-teacher conferences will be on March 9th and 11th. These will be student-led, so make sure to set a time for your core teachers.
We will be back after spring break, which is the week of March 15th through 19th.
Well, that's all from us, from the middle.
The next number is 15. B15.
Well, maybe Caroline can tell you about the books we are reading about social issues in our reading classes.
We're going to redo that.
In our reading classes.
In our reading
That was so
classes.
much to say at once.